Hello everyone, welcome to Kumat Mathematics class. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button for the new updates. We are working for your good result on your Kumat examinations. So please, if you like our videos, please share it to your friends. Also, please do not forget to comment on the comment box. And if you want to get the solution of some of the problems, please you can also mention on the comment box, or you can email your problems to us at kabya.edu@gmail.com, kabya.edu@gmail.com. Thank you. Let us enter into the problem. The problem is, if x square minus 36 equal to 0, which of the following could be a value of x? We have to find the value of x here. So here we have given x square minus 36 equal to 0. This gives us that x square equal to 36. So x has two values now. X equals to plus minus 6 whole square. X square equal to plus minus 6 whole square. Both plus 6 whole square also 36, minus 6 whole square also 36. So x has either plus 6 value or minus 6 value. Now if the option, we have to see at the option, if the option are plus 6 and minus 6 both, then we may get confused, but option is given very clear to us that x equals to minus 6 only is with us. So option A, x equal to minus 6 is our correct answer. It's a normal algebra that you can solve it. The length of a rectangular rod is 2 feet more than its width. That means this is a rectangular rod. Do not get confused with the rod. Rod means like a carpet, that it is made from the wool. So it is 2 feet more. The length is L and B. If B equals to x, then L will be x, or x plus 2. 2 feet more than breadth. If the length of rod is 8 feet, this equals to 8 implies x equal to 6. So it is equal to 6. So what is the area of the rod in square feet? Square feet, which we know now, A equals to L into B. The value of L and B are, L value is given. The length of the rectangular rod is how much? 8 feet. So L equals to 8. So B equals to how much we get? Or it is 2 feet more than breadth, means it is 2 feet less. The breadth is 2 feet less. Into 6, 8 6 are 48. It is provided in 8 feet and 2 feet more. All are in feet. So 8 6 are 48 is square feet. Square feet. Now see in the option B is our correct answer. It is the normal. In case of saying little bit indirect question is this, so we have to understand the question. And please, I had told you before also, until and unless you do not get the clear concept on the problem, do not start your solution. So please read the questions until you do not get the proper image on it. Let us enter into the next problem. The problem is, if r equal to 2t, r equals to 2t, and t equals to 3. The information is given. What is the value of 2r? Then 2r equals to what? Then what is 2r? Just simply we can say 2r equals to 2 into r value is 2t. So this equals to 2 to the 4t. But what is the value of t from here? T equals to 3. This equals to 4 into 3. So 4 3 is 12. So value of 2r is how much? 12 we get. See, the option E is our correct answer. It's a very normal general problem. You can solve this, but remember again, the easy problems are to be solved with 100%. If you do a single easy problem mistake, then definitely you will not be able to get the name on your name list. So please be careful on easy question, because difficult questions are difficult for the all, not only for you. Okay, the question is now, some integers in set x are even. Remember the word here, the set x is written, x set is with us. So x set is with us, but it is not clear that what are the elements in set x, but it is said that this contains some integers, please, not all the integers in set x are even. Some integers in set x are even means there are some odd integers also. So it is the mix of odd and even. Odd plus even, both type of integers are in set X. Not only odd, not only even, not this sum means there may be 1, 2 or not. Now if the statement above is true, this statement is true, which of the following, again here the word must is here. Must means it should be 100% correct. Also be true. Option A, we have to read this question. All options are to be read very carefully. If an integer is even, it is in set X. If that means if an integer is even, it is correct in some case, but it is not correct in all the cases, because if an integer is, whenever even integer comes, it has to be in the set X, which is not very clear because sum only is here in the statement. So option A is not must. If an integer is odd, it is in set X. Some integers in set X are even. So if integer is odd, it is set X means it is not clear here also. If an integer is odd means it is in set X. So set X does not define only the odd condition. If all integers in set X are even, this is also just like a number, it is cancelled. All integers in set X are odd, it's not in the some integers in set X are even. Now option D is also wrong. Now let us see, not all integers in set X are odd. Not all integers in set X are odd. Not all integers in set X are odd means integers are there, but all odd are not here, because some integers in set X are even. So option E is the correct option, because not all integers in set X are odd. So we have to be very clear on the fact that please be very careful with this type of problems, because why this is correct, because question statement has not talked about the odd. But not all integers in set X are odd means some are there even. If all other are odd and two are only even also, it is correct. But other statements are not very clearly talked by the above statement, because some integers is here. So option E is our correct answer. Okay, now next question is, a triangle has a perimeter 13. The perimeter P equals to how much? P equals to 13 in case of a triangle. Now what is perimeter means? The sum of all the sides. This is perimeter, P equals to 13. So sum of all sides, let us write ABC here for simple. ABC. The question has said us that, and one side of length is 3. Among the three sides, one is 3. And what is the next condition? If the lengths of the other two sides are equal, that means the triangle is isosceles triangle. So this and this is same. So that means let us say if this is X, this is also X. So perimeter means what? All sum of X plus 3 equals to 13. So X plus X, 2X equal to 13 minus 3. So 2X equals to 10 implies X equals to how much? 5. So X equal to 5 means what is the length of each of them? Each of them means X equals to 5. So option B is our correct answer. Here only the concept of perimeter and isosceles triangle we have applied here. So please be careful with this type of easy questions. Okay, now this question is about the graphs. So we need to know how to observe this graph also and how to plot them. The grid above shows the number of hours worked last week by 12 students of various ages at after school jobs. Which of the following is true according to the grid? We have to watch the grid and we have to give the information. So we have to read all. So now option A, half of the students worked more than 12 hours each. Half of the students more than 12 hours means it should be 13, 14, 15. So more than 12, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students are more than 12 hours. But our total number of students is 12 here. And half of more than 12 means what? 12 means it should be more than 6. More than 6. But more than how much? 12 hours. It means more than 12 means it should go 13 hours or not 13. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So the option A is wrong. Option 2, one student worked exactly 15 hours. See here, this is the hour, so 15 hours, none of them are working. So it is also not correct. One 16 years old worked more than 11 hours. More than 11 hours, 16 years works, only maximum is up to 11. More than 11 means it should go 12, 13, 14, not at exactly at 11. So option C is also incorrect. Now option D, more 18 years olds than 17-year-olds worked at least 13 hours is. 13 hours it means 13 hours here. At least means 13 also will be included. Now more than 13 hours, 17 years how much? 17 hours work 13 and 14 2, and 18 years old 13 means 1 2 3, so 18 years old 3 means more 18 years olds are working, 3 one more is working than 17. Now let us see option E, most of the students were under 16 years old. 16 years old under means under 16 means only one student is there, so option E is also wrong. So only our correct answer is option D. So here we have to see each and every part here, and these type of problems are a little bit time consuming in your examination because you have to go through each and every options very carefully. So please be very careful in these types of problem. Let us enter into the next problem. Okay, now the next problem is squaring the product of z and 5. Squaring the product means z 5, z 5 or 5z. We can also write it in this way. Now squaring the product means squaring both product will be square, not only one. Squaring the product of z and 5 gives the same result as squaring the sum of z and 5. Squaring the sum of z and 5, sum of z plus 5, its sum and its square, and both are same. Which of the following equation could be used to find all the possible values of z? Equation only we have to find. Now this is our answer. So find it here. Where it is possible? Here it is. See, here is 5z square. It is not. It is not the product of 5 and z square of product of 5 and z. It is sum of square. Here we need to be very much careful. It gives us result as squaring the sum of z and 5. Sum of z and 5 we have to square. So this option find here, you can get the option in option D. So option D is your correct answer. Do not get confused on this type of problem. Okay, the problem is if as many 7-inch piece of wire as possible are cut from a wire, 7-inch pieces of wire as possible as cut from a wire that is 3 feet long. Each means one piece is of 7-inch. We have got 3 feet long wire. Then total 3 feet consists of 3 into 12 equal to 36 inch. Now what is the total length of a wire that is left over? That means remaining piece of wire after we cut each of 7-inch long piece. What is the piece that left over at last? So it means 36 we have to divide by 7. So 7 5s are 35. What is our remainder? Remainder is 1. Finally, we have 1 inch long wire left on our hand. So this 1 inch is our correct answer. Only this is very simple division, but question is twisted with the language. So we need to be careful while reading the question. Please try to understand everything. The information that is given, this 1 foot equals to 12 inches, it may not be provided. So this type of information also we need to know. Okay, this is the problem again like before. Here also we need to know how to see the graph, how to find the coordinates on the graph. Which of the later points in the figure above has coordinate xy such that modulus of x plus modulus of y equal to 5. First of all, we need to know the concept of this modulus sign. Modulus sign indicates that Modulus sign means when the whatever the in number is inside the modulus, what we will get? We will get the output always positive. That means modulus of -2 also equals to 2. Modulus of 2 is also equals to 2. There is no change. The output is always positive. First of all, we need to know that. So now the sum of two numbers should be how much? 5. We need to know that because the sum of modulus of x plus modulus of y equals to 5. The sum. Now let us see the coordinate. We have to find the coordinate such that the sum of two digits only without any sign will be 5. So let us see all the coordinates. Let's see the coordinate. This is 0 0 means c is how much? 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 plus 2 4. It's not possible. Here it is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 7. It's not possible. Here the coordinate of b is 1 2 3 4 and b means the coordinate of b is -4 1. X is negative and y is positive. So 4 plus 1 is 5. But y minus is discarded because it's modulus. Now b coordinate is how much? B is -4 5. It is x and it is y. But modulus of -4 plus 1 equals to how much? 4 plus 1 equals to 5. There is not any other. So option B means B point means option B is our correct answer. We are looking for the point B. Point B has the modulus sum equals to 5. Okay, here in this problem, set A is given 4 by 7, 1, 5 by 2, 4, this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total number, this Cartesian product or this, and B equal to this. If n is a member of both set A and set B, n is a member from set A and set B both above from these two, which of the following must be true? Must be true. Again the word must is here. Be careful with the word must. N is an integer. That means all the numbers in set A and set B should be integer. We have very clearly seen that 4 by 7 is not an integer, 11 by 2 is not an integer, here 7 by 4, 4 by 7, these all are not an integer. So n is not integer, must is there, so we need to be careful. N is an integer. N means multiplying with the number we have to get integer. So if you look at this 4 by 7 into 4, again you get 16 by 7. So 4n in option A, this in set A, it is not correct. And let us see in the next one, again 4 by 7 into 4, same thing. So option B is also, in option B also it is not correct. So option B, 4n is an integer, is also wrong. Now n equal to 4 means n means what is n? N is a member of set A and set B above. Means here also it contains 4, here also it contains 4. So n equals to 4 is one possible way. So only 3 if there is, then it is correct. Must be true is there. So none, second only, first and second only, first and third only, first, second, third. Must be true means you have to write none. Because only n is a member of set A and set B above. N is a member. So n equals to 4 is only correct. But we don't have only 3 option. Only third option is not here. But 4n is an integer. Integer means the perfect number. It is not an integer. It's a fraction. N is an integer. That is also not correct. So none is our correct answer. Here in the problem, if y is directly proportional to x, y is directly proportional to x. That means if y goes up, x also goes up. If y goes down, x also goes down. Direct means there is a relation in that way. If y equals to 20, when x equal to 6, then y equals to 20. X value is 6 means y value is 20. What is the value of y? What is the value of y when x equals to how much? 9. That means what value will be x? It is direct proportion, so just make it equal. So 6 by 9 equal to 20 by x. Make x alone. X equal to 20 into 9 upon 6. So what you will get here? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 10s are 20, 10 3s are how much? 30. So x equal to 30 is their answer. Yes, option E is our correct answer. I have told you in the previous videos, in previous problem also, when there is a direct, that is direct proportion, then just we have to put the upon sign. You can do in any way, like second option also you can keep in front. X equal to 6. What is the value of y when x equal to 9 means? X y. X is 9. Y is what? So at before, what is there? X equal to 6, y equals to 20. In place of this, you can write x, and you can just do upon and upon. You can solve the problem in that way also. No any difficulties. 9 into 20 upon 6. So in this way, this is the end of the video. Now we are coming with the new video again. So please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, hit on the bell button, and also please share this video and help to reach it to your friends also. Thank you all.